Welcome back. Today we're doing applied accessibility and we want to be able to show text only on a screen reader, but we don't want to hide it. Or we kind of want to hide it from the main view of the site, but we don't want people to be able to read it normally unless they've got a screen reader, which is a software that reads through the web page for people, so you can kind of add titles and tags for people to make their site easier to read. So the way you can do this, you can make some text screen reader only by adding, for example, I just discovered a handy tip there. It's Alt-Z to make the text wrap and unwrap. So if you're in VS Code, you can press Alt-Z. So screen reader only text, we can add a class to anything we want to be only screen readers. So at the moment we can see this text. I should only be accessible by screen readers. And to make this into a screen reader only, we want to set it to absolute and left. So I'll just paste this in here. This is one I had prepared earlier. I'll tab this in so we can read it better. Now SR only, if I save this, it's going to disappear, but we can't see it anywhere on the screen, but it is still there if we inspect it. So if we look here, so we can see it in the source, but you can't see it on the screen. So what we're doing with this div is setting it to absolute, and then we're left however many pixels so it's off the screen, and we set it to 1 pixel height and width, and we just say top auto and overflow hidden. So that just sets this to be off the screen, but then if a screen reader looks through it, it kind of ignores most of the CSS anyway, and it will still read it out to the screen reader. Pro tip, you won't be able to read the text above. Anyway, that's it. You just kind of set the div to off the screen, and it is still accessible by screen readers. So there you go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.